Hi dears, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is very healthy bayleaf ada. Art Fest is going on in Edumi institution where I study. There are many programs in it. I participate in cookery show. You can do the course you need starting from PPTTC, MTTC, NIOS Plustwo degree at a very low fee. Edumi also provide many enrichment programs. For more information, contact the WhatsApp number shown on the screen. First, you can collect the bay leaf from the tray. Then wash well, keep aside. Let's see other ingredients to prepare ada. 1 cup of rice flour and grated coconut and jaggery and bay leaf. And 1 cup of water. Let's start our cooking. First, boil a cup of water. You can add record salt to it. Then you can add a cup of rice flour which is kept aside. Mix well and take it. Then put it on the countertop and knead it well. Take some of the dough and spread it on the leaf like this. Now add some jaggery and coconut to it and fold like this. This can be done on all the leaves. After that, steam the idli steamer and cook it for 15 minutes. After 50 minutes, when you open the lid, you will get a nice smell. Now our healthy bayleaf ada is ready. Try it and give feedback. Please support and subscribe the channel for more videos. More details about Edumi are given in the description box below. Check it out. See you with the next video. Thanks for watching.